Nama aku Josephine, aku dari Tangerang, aku sekolah di Bentley University, major in finance. Aku di tim BD, ya. Yeah.
So, hello semuanya, perkenalkan aku Reza Muhammad Ramadan, aku dari Institut Teknologi Bandung, jurusanku Teknik Elektro. Sekarang aku jadi intern di tim Business Development.
Hi everyone, I'm Sophie and I work as a business development intern at Vuya, and I'm currently a fashion management student at the London College of Fashion.
Pengalamanku intern di Vuya adalah for me it's like an experiential learning journey, karena di dalam Vuya ini aku belajar banyak banget mengenai berkomunikasi dengan teman secara profesional, lalu aku juga belajar untuk memaparkan ide-ide aku kepada orang-orang lain. Tapi yang terpenting adalah aku senang banget karena ideku diimplementasikan langsung jadi produk. Itu yang benar-benar aku bikin senang banget intern di sini. Gitu.
Intern di Vuya kan kita tuh very collaborative gitu kan, very open, everyone tuh inclusive. Jadi ide-ide yang baru, even though datangnya dari kita gitu intern, masih tetap di value. And I think that's like something that I really enjoy selama intern di Vuya sih, kayak my value, pendapat aku tuh di value gitu.
As a business development intern, I develop workshops and seminars for our target customers. But overall, I would say my experience was a very interesting one because it was my first time and it was completely online. But it still feels like I'm in an office with my other colleagues and we have to work together to hand in our assignments on time and make sure that they're perfect. And we have meetings almost every day, so there's still that sense of like I'm really doing an internship, and I think that was a very unique experience for me.
Aku mungkin yang kita lagi ngerjain sekarang, kita lagi bikin proposal buat government, buat ngajuin si Vuya Stories ini, biar bisa ngebantu lebih banyak orang gitu loh, jadi bisa dipakai sama dijadiin Videopedia gitu. And I think it's a really interesting concept sih. Maybe it's so far my favorite project.
Actually, for me, the most interesting one is the Vuya Conference Project. Aduh, boleh nyebut namanya nggak ya? Joy, boleh nyebut namanya nggak? Boleh nyebut nggak ya? Udah, pokoknya namanya Vuya Conference dulu ya. Vuya Conference, takutnya nggak boleh nyebut nih. Tapi Vuya Conference di sini pokoknya project yang rame banget. Kita ngonsep sebuah acara event dari nol sampai jadi selama 3 minggu. Dan we've done a lot of research, we've done a lot of learning, dan aku merasa banyak ide kita yang masuk, banyak ide kita yang benar-benar diolah benar-benar, banyak juga ide kita yang diimplementasikan secara nyata di sana, and I think it makes me happy.
I would say my favorite project would be the one where we created a collaboration with Kelas Cinta. So the topic was that we combined career with relationships, and I think it's my favorite because it's something that everyone can relate to, and I've done really so much interesting research into it, and I actually had a lot of fun with that project. It's a very memorable one, so I think that's why it's my favorite.
Ya, kalau awkward sih ada ya, kayak pertama-tama especially kan ini internnya virtual gitu kan, and kita nggak pernah ketemu each other, jadi pas pertama call tuh kayak rada gimana gitu, terus kayak pada diem-dieman, pada nggak berani ngomong, terus kalau sekarang nggak bisa berhenti ngomong gitu, kayak semuanya pada ikut aja.
Ya benar banget, setuju banget. Kalau kita diskusi itu udah like a mini war gitu lah ya.
For the Kelas Cinta project, I was actually explaining to my supervisor, she's Steph, about the topics I came up with and the content, and she was pretty impressed with the research I've done, and she said that by that time I was doing the presentation, she said I'm ready to get married. Yeah. I think I'll miss Cheese Staff the most. I worked so much with her over the 3 months. Like I go on meetings with her almost every day. And for a first timer like me, I was so fortunate to have a boss and supervisor like her because she helped me a lot. And she was really nice and friendly as well. And it's very hard to find a supervisor like that these days. And so I think I'll miss her the most from my experience in Korea.
For me sih the work environment ya, karena the work environment-nya itu bener-bener memantik kreativitas. Wah, ini udah bahasa-bahasa apa ya? Bahasa-bahasa kurikulum 2013 gitu ya, memantik kreativitas. Ya gitu kan, kurikulum 2013 tuh memantik kreativitas siswa ya, gitu-gitulah. Tapi jujur dengan budaya kerja menurutku dengan work environment yang kayak gini tuh benar-benar bisa memantik kreativitas karena as an intern we are encouraged to explore lots of things sendirian. Kita harus kita harus mencoba menyelesaikan masalah itu sendirian, jadi nggak manja gitu, jadi nggak apa-apa nanya Kak Step, apa-apa nanya Kak ini, apa-apa nanya ini. No, kita kerja, kita cari itu sampai ketemu dulu, kalau nggak bisa baru tanya gitu. Dan karena kayak gitu aku tuh kadang aku tuh cuma nanya-nanya Kak Step itu di awal doang aku bisa sampai berapa ya, bisa sampai 2-3 kali gitu ngechat Kak Step tentang kerjaan gitu. Tapi kalau sekarang nih aku lebih ke arah konfirmasi, cuma konfirmasi aja ke Kak Step, ini kayak gini kayak gimana gitu, karena I can research it for myself gitu. Kalau orang yang dikangenin ya paling anak-anak BD lagi.
Siapa nih? Gua dulu.
Joy. Karena aku lebih banyak diskusi sama Joy ya, kan waktu aku sama Joy itu nggak beda jauh ya, kita sama-sama zona waktunya sama gitu, jadi I've talked a lot with Joy.
Paling kangenin, definitely the meeting sih, kayak even though super stressful, kayak everything is so challenging gitu, tapi apa ya, kayak kalau kita meeting tuh seru gitu, kayak diskusinya tuh selalu seru, either meetingnya sama chief staff gitu, sama tim atau sama tim BD, or even kayak sama like team design atau konten gitu, kayaknya apa ya, kayak for me it's a different experience. And personally I really enjoy it karena kayak like Nessa said previously gitu, like it's like a mini war, like everyone's trying to voice their opinion like one way or another. And then kayak jadinya selalu seru gitu. Kalau misalnya in terms of like social, apa ya? Aku sebenarnya kurang dekat sama kayak anyone else yang di luar BD gitu, karena kayak aku bener-bener working together ya sama BD doang.
For a first timer, if this is like your first time looking for an internship, they don't mind whatever background you come from. My background was completely irrelevant to what the company is doing, but they still took me in and I adapted pretty quickly. So besides all my colleagues, like we have law students, engineering students, so it's a very diverse background, and you learn so much from these people because we have different perceptions, and you will gain so much new ideas and new ways to think, which I think is very, very important in today's age. But also, I would say, in terms of what you're working, you are already, it's like a hands-on thing from the first day. So you already get real work from the first day itself. And it's very hard to find internships like that. And it's just a great work culture and work environment to be in. Everyone is really nice and supportive, and you will feel like you are being supported, and you can share your ideas whenever you want. And I think that's like a very good reason to apply for Korea.
Kalau menurut aku, for people who are looking for an experience, especially kayak in a place where the work environment itu casual and super welcoming and inclusive, I think Booyah is definitely the place for you. Karena kita tuh like as an intern bukan cuman belajar dari kayak di-explain ini itu, tapi you learn by doing gitu. And I think it's definitely like a valuable experience that you might not be able to find in other places, especially in a corporate world di mana lebih structured, lebih ada guidelines harus kayak gini, harus kayak gitu. Kalau Fuya, it's a matter of apa ya, kayak what is it that you want to what is it that you want to achieve gitu. Nanti caranya itu ada banyak cara gitu, and I really enjoy that. Kayak menurut aku kreativitas di situnya itu tuh yang nggak bedain internship Fuya sama yang lain-lain.
For me, actually, it's similar with Joy. If you're getting tired of your college life, mungkin puyeng nilai IPK jatuh or like that, refresh your mind with Fuya. Kan masa sih kuliah 4 tahun belajar terus gitu, cuma itu doang. Nah, menurutku Fuya is really really nice experience to have refreshment in mind. Pengalaman yang paling asik banget, pengalaman yang bagus banget untuk bikin refreshing, untuk nge-refresh otak. Karena di Fuya ini belajar banyak banget. Aku tuh jujur sekarang nih aku udah agak lupa ya materi kuliah, karena materi aku tuh, otak aku tuh sekarang udah diisi sama hal-hal BD gitu. Cara cari uang gimana. cara bikin partnership yang oke tuh kira-kira sama siapa aja gitu. Itu sekarang di otak aku sih kayak gitu doang. Aku udah lupa materiku.